This is day 8 of me trying to knit this MLB sweater that I designed in honor of the World Series, and this is day 8 and the final day as well, because I am already on, I finished one sleeve yesterday. I'm on the second sleeve already, and I'm going to finish today. Like, there's no questions about it. Definitely gonna zoom through this right now, and then I'm going to block my sleeves just a little bit. I don't want to do like a super intense blocking. I just want to kind of relax the stitches a little bit, and then I'm gonna try it on for you guys to see, and that'll be it. Like 8 days. Anyway, I'm really excited to tell you guys about my next project and the next challenge, which is kind of crazy. Why am I doing it? I don't know. I just like to I just like to challenge myself, because that's what makes knitting fun for me. Anyway, let's get started. I'm literally about to zoom. It is 11:09. I'll definitely be finishing in a few hours, so let's get started. I finished. Oh my gosh, I'm done with this sweater. It looks like this. the front, then the back. And now I'm just gonna seam block the sleeves a little bit, and then I'm gonna try it on for you guys to see, and that'll be it. So let's go seam block it. To the salon. Guys, I finished it. Oh my gosh, I finally finished. It looks like this. I'm still like about the front panel, like it looks weird at times, it doesn't, but I'm over it. It still looks good overall. My favorite part is the back. Let's see that. Like, are you serious? It's so perfect. I have officially knitted an MLB sweater in honor of the World Series, and it turned out amazing. So amazing. Definitely better than what I thought. So again, this was my sketch of the front panel. This is the actual front panel. And then this was my sketch for the back panel. And this is my back panel. I think I did great. Like, it's very, very, very close to exactly what I was envisioning. So I'm very happy with how that turned out. And that's literally all I got. Thank you guys for coming along this journey with me. But now it's time to start my next project and my next challenge. Bye.